Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking these burger tacos. They are very easy to make and delicious to make. I'll show you how I'm going to make them. So firstly, I'm going to cut my vegetables. So I'm going to need a red onion, which I'm going to thinly slice, just like this. So you can use whatever vegetable you like. You can use pickles, but for me, I'm just using some onion, tomato, and lettuce. So just cutting the tomato also, just thinly slicing the 2 tomatoes. So the vegetable are prepared. I'm going to prepare my mince. I've got 1 kilo of ground beef mince, which I'm going to season with some salt, black pepper. I'm also using all-purpose seasoning, and I'm also going to use some chicken seasoning. So this is chicken seasoning, and now I'm going to mix through the seasoning with the mince. So just mixing this. So now I've got my soft taco here, and what I'm going to do is add some the mince that I've prepared earlier. So just making sure the mince is nice and flat. So spread the mince all over the taco. So now it's time to cook. This is how you cook. You don't need to put some oil, then just cook it like that. Now it's cooked. I'm just going to flip the other side and cook the other side. While the other side is cooking, I'm going to add some cheese. You can use burger cheese or whatever cheese you've got. I'm just using here, I'm using some mozzarella cheese. So now time to put the veggies, some onion and then some tomatoes. Just adding the sauce I've made earlier. So for the sauce you can add tomato sauce, mayonnaise and mustard. So and then just adding some lettuce. So there is the taco, the burger taco. It was so good and delicious. So just folding it like that. This is how it looks, guys. So you need to repeat the process until you cook all your burger tacos. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.